Oh, you're so kind. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining us at yet another Food 411 Spotlight. And I have a familiar face here with us, Charlie Wilkinson. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Very good. We're eating Reuben's, man, again.
We're eating Reuben's.
You joined us at Danny's Deli, had a great experience there. Today we are at HopCat here on Canopy Street downtown, Canopy and P in the Olson building, if you guys are familiar with that, behind the train station. So really cool atmosphere in there, guys. Neat. Charlie was just informing me of their crack fries, so maybe try those. Their French fries are called crack fries because they're so addictive. Oh, nice. Well, that's good to know. Like fries aren't addictive enough. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Gotta check out the crack fries.
I wonder if I have crack fries actually in here, so.
I bet they gave us some as a side.
Right? We are checking out HopCat and step on that.
Oh, I see the fries.
Oh, are there fries?
I see the crack fries.
Oh, there. Are you happy?
I'm happy. My day is made. Camera eats first.
All right, man, that is looking phenomenal.
Oh,
You
amazing.
get your hands off of there.
Come on, you have to share. We both give a score.
Guys, so there are rules with this, of course. Number one rule with every series we have here is 1 bite, so we'll do our best to do that,
One
man.
bite.
2 is no Rachel's, which you're familiar with what that is from your last time here. Honestly, I forgot if we have other rules at this point. You know,
They can't know we're coming.
Oh yeah,
That's one of
they
the
can't know
rules.
we're coming, yeah.
They can't call in the executive chef.
No executive chefing here, so no culinary experts. So guys, we're gonna finally let Charlie have a hand on here.
Thank you.
No crack fries, I'm eating all those. And as always, guys, we're gonna rate this when we're done. So, Charlie, 1 bite, find the good spot. You ready, man?
Let's do it. It's hard to choose if you want the middle with more fillings or the outside with more crisp.
I'm going the middle.
I'm
Here we
going
go.
outside.
There's a taste in there that it's like a butter.
It is.
You taste that butter?
Mhm.
That's interesting. I don't hate it. I do feel like the butter though is overtaking any sort of like
It
actually
is really buttery.
like the Thousand Islands taste. I don't really taste that. It's more of that butter. So maybe not your
I 100% agree.
typical. Here's some sauce. Yeah, I think it's just like a buttery sauce. Maybe it's their own little mix on it. Ratios, man, crispiness is good. Ratios aren't bad. It's pretty spread throughout. Cheese is everywhere, as you guys can see. What are you feeling?
I like it. I don't feel like it's one of our top scores for the trip.
Yeah, I would agree with that.
But it's good.
It's got its own uniqueness for sure.
I'm thinking 8s. What are you thinking?
Like 8.6?
8.6. I like that. Middle 8s, 8.6.
It's definitely something I would come and eat, but it isn't. You don't get that Reuben taste that you would expect. So, guys, again, we are at HopCat here on Canopy Street in P. Downtown. There's tons of options down here, guys, but you know, this is a little bit off the beaten path. Come check it out. Moving forward here, guys, please follow us, like us, share us on Instagram, Facebook, Homegrown Lincoln. Guys, check out HopCat online and on their social media to see what kind of specials and deals they got going. Charlie, thank you for jumping on.
Absolutely.
Today,
Thanks for having me.
We'll see you guys at our next. Cheers.